What's up, guys? Welcome back. So no Skyline videos today, but one good news, we did sell. Oh wait, there it is. We did sell the Volks. We're getting it prepped right now. As you can see, I saran wrapped around the front and we are just masking the bottom, but I also masked that on there just to protect it some more. We actually went to Home Depot and got these giant boxes. We're gonna ship them in two, just like I did with the Mugen wheels a couple months ago. So these are 20 by 9, 20 by 10, and after the measurements we bought the 22 by 22 by 22. And I just want to go ahead and document it, just because in case this buyer try to be like, oh, you know, they didn't come in great shape and all that crap. So just gonna save our ass on this end. But getting ready to pack it up. Once I mask this in place, we're gonna flip it around and then put the wheels in, and hopefully it'll fit. So how we're gonna do it is put a 10 and a 9 in one, and then a 10 and 9 on the other one. So that way it'll be both even and symmetrical, and hopefully everything works out well. But let's go ahead and put this thing in. Okay, so one mask down the middle and then two tape masks on the side to strengthen it. But also you want to mask the adjacent edge too, because if they do move around and it shifts, it can break apart this part. So having it all on those edges and corners will be pretty good. I mean, you could do more, but I don't want to waste tape, so this should be more than adequate. If anything ever happens, the shipping company does add more tape. So let's flip it around and throw the wheels in. There it is, guys. It actually worked. The 9 and 10 fit in here perfectly. We had a styrofoam in between, and we cut some extra cardboard boxes from that thingamajiggy, and we put it on the side to reinforce it. I also double mask the edges as well, and honestly, it ain't going anywhere. That is perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and do the rest, the other two wheels, and call it a day. I'm just grateful that John was able to sell these wheels. I tried to help him sell it, but turns out the person messaged him directly and they worked out a deal on it. So I'm just glad these are going to a good home. I believe they're going to Cali, and the person that's going to be buying it is an RCF owner, so that's pretty cool. I hope you enjoy these, but we're gonna go ahead and finish this up and see what happens after that. Alright, guys, so it's actually the next day. We already packaged John's wheels up, and he actually took them and he's gonna ship them today. But I also have to go ahead and ship these shirts today. So the other day I shipped all the smalls and extra large. I just have medium and large left to ship out. I will update you guys on my big cartel when they're shipped, and you'll get an email notification, so stay tuned for that. Just a little bit more footage of the Skyline before I start making some videos on it. I wanted to do a really nice intro, but honestly don't have the time, and I really can't drive it right now. I can explain that a lot later. But right now I gotta catch up on a lot of things. A lot of people are expecting their orders, and I gotta go ahead and deliver them, and I don't want to make you guys wait any longer. Also, another thing is the black shirts. I was gonna get them done within, like, after selling all the shirts, but now I need someone to make shirts. So I'm gonna be reaching out to all my buddies and seeing who they use to make t-shirts and going that route instead. So instead of having the vinyl on the t-shirts, I'm gonna switch over to silk printing, only because I can like mass produce that in a short amount of time, and it might cost me a little bit more, but at least you guys are able to get a chance to buy some black t-shirts, and I can make a lot more of it. So stay tuned with that, and I'll update you guys when I find somebody. So those of you guys don't know, the S2000, the ignition is actually over here. Alright, so I was able to go to the post office and ship a little bit more. It's just tough because every single envelope that I have to ship, I have to pay for, and it shoots out a receipt, and then I gotta go back and do the whole process again. That's with the self-serve machine. If I were to go and wait at the desk, it would just back the whole entire facility up. There was a lot of shirts to be sold. So every day I'm shipping about like 4 to 5 of them. So by, I want to say Thursday or tomorrow or Friday, all of them should be shipped out, and then we'll go ahead and do the raffle. I've already done it, and I've already found the 6 winners, so maybe I'll do the raffle today and I'll put it in the end of this video. Stay to the end of the video and see if you won, and then I'm gonna go ahead and ship those out as well this week. So that's how I'm gonna do it, so just stay tuned. Another thing, I picked up this today. This is the August issue, all rotary. I had to buy it. I really like the cover. Also, I love this freaking car. such a nice freaking design and livery on it, or livery, whatever you want to call it. But Mazda was really freaking awesome back in the day. Even though I don't know much about rotary, man, these are really stapled cars in the car scene, and gotta show respect to them. Plus, you know, I love Mazdas. Well, I love the older Mazdas, I hate the new ones. Anyway, we'll touch base when I get home, and then we'll talk a little bit more then. Also, I haven't drank Bang in a long time. It's been probably like 3 months, because I was binging it every single morning. And took a break, and I'm back at it again. Probably just this one time. Just kind of missed the sugary taste. So it's been almost 3 days of vlogging, and I keep forgetting to finish the vlog. But because I had other things going on. But to keep you guys up to date, all the shirts have been shipped out. Next, I'm going to be shipping out the winners. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys now, I did the random name generator, and these are the 6 winners. I posted right now so you can see the clip. I went on, you know, random.org or whatever it was, put all the names in, and I just clicked it once, and that's it. Those are the winners. I'm going to be shipping out your stuff soon, probably tomorrow. Today's Friday. I'll ship it tomorrow so you guys will get it. Just have a lot of things going on, errands and all that, and other stuff happening off camera in the house that I had to tend to. But you guys wait long enough. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick walk around on the Skyline, because I know you guys been waiting to see this car. Here it is, the black R34 GTT, not the GTR. For those of you guys don't know, has the full Nismo kit. And on Dylan's old TE37s, just borrowing these temporarily. These actually don't belong to me, so I can go into that later on. But I finally got it insured, and it's finally registered, so we're gonna go ahead and start driving the car a little bit. But I want to go ahead and make sure everything is good before I introduce this car to the channel officially. So in the meantime, sorry for another vlog video, but I will keep you guys updated as it comes. Just know, very soon we're gonna be having the R34 videos coming out fast, and I hope you guys will be ready for it. So until then, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you're hyped about it, leave a comment if you're excited for the next round of shirts. We do have black shirts on the way, and I might actually leave it up for pre-order if you guys want to get on top of that now when they're ready in a couple weeks. And yeah, subscribe if you're a new time viewer, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.